Good morning, dito ulit Super Mix TV. What's up? Okay. So yeah, I'm just the only person here right now. Nag-cover ako ng shift. Anyway, that's totally fine. Now, most common question, we have one. Paano mag-book ng more than 15 kilometers? Okay. So, para makapag-book po kayo ng 15 kilometers and more, hindi sa application. Because sa application, kapag nag-book po kayo, ito yung lalabas. Ayan, may ganyang error. So, para makakabook kayo, ito yung gagawin nyo. Tawag kayo sa customer service. Okay? Sa customer service, dahil itong number na to, so, isiset namin yung pickup location. Pagpunta ng driver doon, sasabihin nyo na lang po yung drop-off location. Okay? Next naman, kung ayaw mong tumawag, meron pang other way, okay? Sa application natin, may way around dyan. So, mag-book ka lang ng 14 kilometers, okay? 14 mo lang wag 15. Ngayon, pagdating sa 14 kilometers, ibababa kayo ng driver sa drop-off location ng 14 kilometers. So, before kayo bumaba, before si driver i-complete po yung sa meter, advise him na, sir, continue na lang po tayo sa location na to. Alright. So yun. So I hope that helps, okay? So kung problema ka na yung location mo 20 kilometers away, pwede yan sa Green GSM. Yun lang. So again, within Metro Manila lang, okay? Metro Manila lang. Hanggang Metro Manila muna lang tayo. But soon kapag available na, let's go! Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure to follow and subscribe and like this video for more.